ಹಾಯ್ ಹಲೋ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಮಿತ್ರರೇ, ಪುನರ್ವೇ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಅರೌಂಡ್ಗೆ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ರೀಪರ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು MCQ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಉತ್ತರ ಸಮೇತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಬನ್ನಿ ಈಗ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜ್ ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ಲಿ ಮರಿದೇನೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ದೇರ್ ವರ್ ಮೆನಿ ಸ್ಟೋರೀಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಕ್ರೀಪರ್. ಸಮ್ ಆರ್ ಟ್ರೂ, ಸಮ್ ಆರ್ imaginary and some are totally. So options A ನೋಡೋಣ. False, options B fabulous, options C fantastic, options D fearful. So correct answer is false. Question number 2. Dash went to the forest to bring some creepers. Options A Mara, options B Sanna, options C Appanna, options D Krishna. ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ options B Sanna. Question number 3. The thief according to of Mara is dash. The tree, the leaves, the creeper, forest. The correct answer is the creeper. And then next fourth question ನೋಡೋಣ. The curse about the creeper is that when some needs it, they shall not dash it. So pluck, eat, chew, find. The correct answer is find. Next fifth question. Immediately after the rains, it comes up, puts first flower and fruits and dies. It comes up again only in next dash season. Options A winter, options B rainy, options C summer, options D spring. The correct answer is rainy. Next 6 questions ನೋಡೋಣ. The author took dash years of learn some facts about the creeper. Options A 25, options B 30, options C 20, options D 35. So the correct answer is 20. Question number 7. When Mara had gone to the forest to bring some bamboo shoots, he accidentally cut his dash. Option C artery, venous, nerves, and then capillary. ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ artery. Next question number 8. Mara went to the dash for the treatments. So options A Mayali Sadhu, white man, narrative, village headman. So the correct answer is white man. Question number 9. The author thinks that Mara a story is a dash and bull story. Cow, crow, okay, cow, crow, cock, calf. So the correct answer is cock. Question number 10. Mara did not have any teeth on the dash side of his mouth. Options A left, options B up, options C down, options D right. So the correct answer is right. Question number 12. Long ago, Mara and his friend laid a trap and caught a dash. Wild buck, wild boar, wild cat, wild dog. The correct answer is wild bug. Question number 13. So question number 13 ನೋಡೋಣ. Mara wife ignorantly threw the leaves into the dash. Option A ant. Okay, ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. Okay. Option C air, options B underground, option C fire, options D water. So the correct answer is fire. Question number 14. Chandru was a dash. Chandru was a dash. So options A plant pathologist, doctor, geologist. So the correct answer is plant pathologist. Question number 15. Krishna was author's east while. Okay. Options A owner, options B farmhand, options C driver, options D manager. The correct answer is farmhand. Question number 16. Krishna was suffering from dash. Options A fever, options B cold, piles, headache. So the correct answer is piles. Next question number 17. Krishna approached dash to piles treatment. White man, Chandru, Appanna, Malayali Sadhu. So the correct answer is Malayali Sadhu. Question number 18. The native doctors believe that if they told others about the medicines would lose their dash. Potency, color and quality, design. The correct answer is potency. So ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ದ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ರೀಪರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಲಾಗುವಂತಹ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.